Hello, welcome to Maths with Ish. Now today I'm going to show you how you can add whole numbers and fractions. Now this particular topic is very important for those of you that have kids in lower grades, okay? Grade 4, grade 5 and so on and so forth. So I think grades like questions like this is something that they normally encounter. Okay, so the first one, you can see that we are having whole number being added to a fraction, the whole number being subtracted, subtracting a fraction. Now, how do we solve question like this? How do we explain it to people and students in grade 4 and 5? Now, before we do that, I'll first of all give you a trick you can use to solve that, okay? So the first thing to do is to make this fraction, this whole number to become a fraction by putting it over 1. And then you find the LCM of 1 and 7, which is 7. And then you go 1 divided 7 is 7. 7 times 2, 14. 7 divided 7, 1. 1 times 5, 5. And that gives you 19 over 7, which is the same thing as 2 whole number 5 over 7. Now, if you look at this question, this answer here, this solution, if you look at this solution, you can see that it is just joining these two together, these 2 and this 5 over 7 together. That is what this is giving us. So you can simply explain it to them by telling them that anytime you are having a whole number being added to a fraction, all you just have to do is to merge them together, and that will give you your answer. So that is one of the ways you can really explain it to them. Okay? So let's look at the second one. The second one says 3 minus 4 over 5. Now, this one, don't be tempted to say the answer is 3, 4 over 5. No, this is subtraction, so you can't do it that way. Okay? However, there is a shorter way you can do that. But let's follow the longer route first. So let's go, we put this over 1, and then we'll make this 4 over 5. We find the LCM. LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. 1 divided 5 is 5. 5 times 3, 15. 5 divided 5 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. So that our answer is 15 minus 4, 11 over 5. And 11 over 5 is the same thing as 2 whole number 1 over 5. So this is our solution. You can see that it is not the same thing as merging these two together. Now, is there any way we can solve this? Yes, there is also another way we can solve this. Now watch. This 3, I know that 3 is the same thing as 2 plus 1. Okay? So this 3 now, I've split it into 2 plus 1. Can you see that? Now, this one, I can use equivalent fraction. Since I'm having my denominator as 5, I can write this as 5 over 5, because 5 over 5 still means 1. You understand? Good. So our knowledge of equivalent fractions now tells us that since our denominators are the same, all we have to do now is to sum up subtract the power 5 minus 4, which is 1. And based on this, 2 plus a whole number and a fraction, our answer is 2 whole number 1 over 5. Can you see now that it's also the same thing as this? So I hope you've gained value. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.